Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a little field trip. We're going to do a DIY and do some cleaning around the house. I will also be adding some Christmas touches around the house. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Kim, KYM. In my videos, I like to do things pertaining to home life, so cooking, cleaning, shopping, DIYs, repairs, projects, that sort of thing. If that sounds like your jam, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out and show the like button some love as well.
Only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.
My daughter had her Friendsgiving the night before, so my husband and I are doing some things around the house just to get it a little bit tidied up. He's restocking some of the items that go in the refrigerator, and I'm going to start in the living room. Once our guests leave, we always like to wipe everything down, do a little bit of deep cleaning, and in here I will be doing a gypsy couch clean. Let me know below in the comments if you clean before your guests come or once they leave. I typically don't clean before anyone comes, I just clean once everyone leaves.
Back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.
I keep blankets on the couch and also in my TV stand in the drawer, so since everyone used those, my husband is going to wash those. It's all about this tag team effort, okay? When I do my gypsy couch clean, I use the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant. Here's what the water's looking like from the gypsy couch clean.
Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way, a reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing, it's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
Check out those beautiful vacuum lines. At the beginning of the video, I showed this picture. My husband actually picked it out from Hobby Lobby, and y'all, if you know me, you know I love the little red truck, okay? I don't even care if the truck is red. It could be purple, blue, orange, or black. I just think the truck is a vibe. So I always try to incorporate that in my Christmas decor. So I definitely was so excited when he found that picture and he bought it for me.
Like I'm forever young, and that's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way, a reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing, it's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
I absolutely love this little tree. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with it, but I think it's very pretty.
It's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way, a reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and
kitchen. I definitely wanted to wipe all the cabinets down, the refrigerator, the counters, and that sort of thing. My husband swept the floor, and then later on in the evening, my oldest daughter mopped the floor. How are all of you guys doing today? Have you started decorating for Christmas? For me with decorating, I'm very minimal. I don't like a lot of stuff on my countertops and that sort of thing. It just gives me the worst anxiety. I'm also a firm believer in buying things that are on sale. My husband makes fun of me because he's like, you never buy anything full price. And he's right. I will stock something until it goes on sale. And I always have that rule of thumb of if I don't have anywhere for it to go, I'm not going to buy it. And if I don't love it, I'm not going to buy it. Let me know if you play by the rules when you are purchasing things, or do you just like to splurge? Because I do know a lot of people who love to splurge and they end up having their house looking the bomb. Let me know below in the comments.
Even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. While you try not to lose your mind, not to believe the lies that you tell yourself, that you tell yourself. Have a good time, but worry after. Petrified when they think I'm awkward. When your brain's wired for disaster. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hiding with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Worry won't change the outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger, although I know that I'll be just fine. Worry won't change the outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger, although I know that I'll be just fine. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste.
Now it's early in the day, but I'm always winning. I'm making dinner, like, you know, lunch dinner. I know that was so corny, but I thought it was funny. Anyway, I'm always ahead of the game because I feel like I'm way more productive in the morning than I am in the evening. You'll have to let me know below in the comments when you're most productive. The other day I read The Rules of Life, and the number one thing that they had on the list is make peace with your past so it does not affect your present. And I thought to myself, wow, that's amazing. You know, at the end of the day, we all have to heal. And a lot of times we are hurting from something that happened in our childhood or something that happened when we were younger, and we may not even know it. I remember being sick. Now, I'm not going to get too personal, but there was an issue that I dealt with in the second grade up until I was like, I don't know, maybe a senior in high school with a school that I went to. And I never knew that it bothered me. I never knew that I was having some issues with how I was treated and the things that were said to me and that sort of thing, until I was like sitting down and just like thinking about my life. You know, you have nothing else to do when you're sick, right? And I thought to myself, you know what? I need to heal from that because I don't want to take those feelings and pass them on to anybody else because of something that happened to me by a group of people in the past. So saying all of that to say, let's heal. It's 2024, you guys, like for real. Let's stop walking around being miserable with our nose turned up. Let's heal. Let's get ourselves together. It really makes the world a better place. And I know that sounds corny, but at the end of the day, it starts with you.
I don't care.
When you don't have sour cream, you can always add ranch and then some chicken broth.
As long as I got you right here. A little rain begins to fall down. Wash it away and see what stays around.
weeks since I picked up the camera because I just have been exhausted. Not really sure why. Yes, I'm taking multivitamins and vitamin D. However, we're not going to discuss my personal life. I was tired. I just woke up, got in the shower, got myself together, got my Nubian Queen wrap on. There's a few things I need to do today. I need to like wipe my countertops off because my daughters have been in here causing a ruckus. And I'm gonna do a DIY as well. I know I'm looking over here because my stuff's over here. At any rate, come along for the fun. I'm gonna make myself some broth. I just realized I don't have any bones because I typically make bone broth, but I am gonna make some broth to get myself rejuvenated, make my throat stop hurting. And I'm also gonna make some tea, and that is it, okay? That's it, that's all. Here are the ingredients that I'm using. Again, it's not like homemade how I typically do, but it's homemade in the fact that I'm about to hook this up and make myself feel better. Christmas ornaments, floral foam, sticks, a bell because I don't like that color. These two types of paintbrushes, plastic to cover your table. And these are the paint colors that I'm gonna use. Essential water, sponsor your girl. Not sure how I forgot this, but this is the showstopper right here. So there's a little hole there. All you wanna do is just stick the screw through the hole, wrong end. And that's gonna help keep it sturdy while you paint it. Let us start mixing the paint. You know, it would not be a DIY without some sort of white or black. So we're gonna go with the white for right now. I'm mixing two whites. One is a little brighter than the other. This is like a more of an expensive than the other one. The other one's pretty cheap, but that's okay. Use what you got. Go to the Dollar Tree. Secondly would be green, because I did blue for like several years and I just wanted to try something different. So green it is, baby, green it is. I'm going for like a beige tan color, so I figure if I put these two together, it might create that. We shall see. A little white to that too. Your next step is baking soda. I got baking soda. Baking soda. Anytime you want to change the color of your ornaments, don't go buy new ones, just do a DIY. It is so cost effective. It's also a fun little project to do. Show you how messy I get when I paint. This is crazy.
Thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman.
Paint the entire ornament.
But I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you.
So with this one, I'm working on my second coat, and I want to just dab it on because I don't want it to be perfect. Nothing's perfect, and I don't want anything perfect in my house. That's just not my vibe. The only one that I added baby powder to was the white, so I'm just going to shake a little bit on here. Shake, rattle, and roll.
How they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you. 'Cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you.
Broth is looking like. So I ended up adding some Lowry's, rosemary, oregano. What else did I add? Potatoes, fresh garlic. This is definitely a healing agent for sure. I added some cayenne pepper as well, but I know I'm forgetting something, but I can't tell y'all all my secrets anyway. Here is the broth. Ladies and gentlemen, first off, I want to start by saying, oh wee, ain't she cute, girl? Mm-hmm. And the ornaments turned out great as well. They are still just a little damp. They probably should wait for about 30 minutes to dry. However, they're gonna go in here. So I have this swag that I made last year that has been obviously in a bag and jacked up and bundled up and, you know, placed in storage. So I'm gonna use some of that and some snow and some lights and put it in there. And then I will put those beauties in there. Stand by.
Carols, oh, nothing wrong with sleigh bells in the snow. my dream come true. Let's not wait another year.
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you are still here, please leave some Christmas ornaments below in the comments. I appreciate you so much, and I really, really hope that you and your family have an amazing holiday season.